A police vehicle hit my dog.
Did we respond to the scene?
You were the scene.
You didn't get any information from her?
No.
Did you call the police at that time?
No, the police. She was the police. She was the police.
I understand, but
She was. Well done. Good job. Hi. Says has nerve damage. Her shoulder is dislocated. Her ribs are all bruised. Her lungs are bruised. She has pleural effusions, liquid in her lungs, liquid in her chest cavity, internal bleeding. Something's going on with her back, hips. We don't know what it is yet. And she still pees on herself. But she's a fighter.
So I don't know what there really isn't a mechanism for us to, take care of the medical bills.
I was told that it was going through insurance.
Oh, you could go through your insurance. Yeah, you could try that.
No,
but
no.
Okay.
Listen to me. I was told by her superior that it was going to be going through the car insurance. I don't, but my dog's life is on the line right now, and it's just a fucked up situation that I'm going through. And my children, because it happened right in front of my children. And she did nothing. She did not perform her job. She did not escort us. She did not take any incident report. Why wasn't an accident report reported? Why didn't she respond to her CO?
She failed to report the accident report, and that's one of the things that's being investigated.
Why didn't she report to her CO? Why didn't she tell anybody she was taking personal time?
Well,
there's a lot of things that went wrong, and this is what I have to deal with. I have to go chasing around to see if I can get the proper care for my dog. I'm the one that has to go chasing around. I had to chase around to find out who she was. No one knew who she was. I had to find that out by myself.
No, I understand. And I'm sorry that you're going through this.
You can do it. Come on. Come on. It's okay. I'm sorry. Come on. You have to come over here. Come on. Come on, baby. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Come on. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Come on. We need to flip you over, baby. Come on. Come on. You ready? Come on. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Come on. Come on. I can't. Okay? I know. Okay. No mas. Okay. She's gonna get bed sores if she's on this side for too long. She's been on this side for like 6 hours already. Come on. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Another issue is that apparently she should not have been speeding down my block.
Well, we pulled the GPS report. I think she was going 30. I don't know.
Yeah, it's a school zone. It's a school zone.
Oh, is that?
It's a school zone.
Okay.
Yeah.
I could give you the general number for IAB, but that case hasn't been assigned yet because I just did it yesterday. They still have to get to them.
All right. Well, I want them to expect it, and I want them to put it on the top. Like I said, my family is police officers. I want to be treated just as family as the way she's being treated. Okay. I feel like I'm being left on the bottom of the barrel, and I don't like that feeling. I don't like it at all. So I'm doing everything that I'm trying to do. I'm being an advocate for my dog right now because she cannot speak English. I'm advocating for her. What is the number to IAB?
Yeah, I'm looking for one.
1 right. All right, good. Sit. Okay, good girl. Sit. Stay. Okay. There you go. Lie down. Okay. You did so well. So proud. Okay, lie down. Be right back. Okay. And also I mentioned to one of her sergeants, because they didn't want to give me any information about it or about who was driving a SUV in Long Beach that day. I said, well, since no information was given, I guess it's a hit and run then. And they said, no, it's not a hit and run because they stopped. So I just want to know what's the difference between a hit and run. Just because she stopped, it's hit and run. Just because she stopped, she didn't offer any information. Usually when you stop, you acknowledge what's going on and you exchange information. When you hit and run, you don't exchange information, and that's what happened. No information was exchanged.
Yes, so that basically is the definition of believing. She did.
Is there any update as far as disciplinary actions with her then?
We're moving towards that. There will be certainly some discipline coming down for sure.
Is she still on duty?
As it stands, yes.
Really?
You're not going to get any argument from me, ma'am.
Yeah.
I certainly understand and I certainly sympathize, for sure.
All right. Well, if you have any updates, you have my number. Just give me a call. I don't want to keep bombarding you guys with information. I know you guys have to do your job, but
I appreciate that.
I'm gonna try to bring home Daisy as soon as I can from the vet. And again, she's 80 pounds. I'm 125 pounds. I have to carry her everywhere. I have steps. I'm sore. I'm exhausted. I have a special needs daughter. I have 3 children. I'm a single mom. I'm exhausted. I'm tired. I'm tired of the back and forth and not getting any answers. I'm just tired now.
Well, I certainly could say that when it comes to our internal investigation, you can call me and I can give you answers as it relates.
Daisy. Hi, my Dave. Let me see how cute you look. Oh, hello, Miss Daisy. Come on, Daisy. Come on. Hey, Dave. All right, come on, let's go. Good job.